Have you ever pondered the enigmas of existence and how souls take residence in physical bodies? Are you familiar with the concept of walk-in souls? If not, get ready to embark on a captivating exploration into the realms of spirituality and existence as we delve into the teachings of Dolores Cannon. In her book Between Death and Life, Dolores Cannon, a distinguished hypnotherapist and author, shared a remarkable narrative from a session with a young girl who underwent an unusual phenomenon, the exchange of souls, commonly known as a walk-in. This account challenges our conventional understanding of birth and the entry of souls into physical bodies, shedding light on the complexities of our existence and offering profound insights into life's mysteries and the choices made before and during our earthly journey. The universal experience of birth, a journey every soul must undertake to commence its earthly adventure, typically involves a conventional process of entering the world through childbirth. However, what if I told you there is another, more extraordinary way some souls choose to enter this realm? Dolores Cannon termed this experience a walk-in, a phenomenon that defies conventional understanding. The story unfolds with a young girl, a subject of Dolores Cannon's regression therapy, who shared her unconventional birth story. Born seemingly lifeless during a home delivery, she was miraculously revived by her aunt's unwavering determination. Delving into the girl's past through regression therapy, Dolores uncovered a startling revelation: this soul had not entered the baby's body during childbirth as customary. Instead, she had delayed her entry for mysterious reasons, perhaps engaging in conversations with spiritual guides or contemplating the challenges of life on Earth. A.S.S. Dolores Cannon continued her exploration. She identified two primary methods by which souls can enter the physical body. The first involves the soul entering the baby's body while in the womb, experiencing the entire birthing process. The second method allows the soul to remain outside the baby's body, in close proximity to the mother, observing and retaining the freedom to travel back and forth to the spirit realms. Both methods share a crucial requirement: the soul must enter the baby's body at the moment of its first breath, or stillbirth may result. The most astonishing revelation came when Dolores asked the young woman to describe the moment she first entered the physical body. To her shock, the response was extraordinary. The soul had entered an adult body, challenging our understanding of human existence and soul entry. This aligns with what is known as a walk-in, a term popularized by Ruth Montgomery, describing a spirit entering a living body instead of being born as an infant. Unlike possession, which involves one spirit exerting control over another without consent, walk-ins occur through mutual agreement and consent between departing and incoming souls. It is a conscious and cooperative exchange of custodianship of the physical body, devoid of coercion or control. The departing soul leaves without harm, and the exchange is not an act of suicide or self-harm, but a benevolent agreement for a greater purpose. The decision-making process for such momentous events occurs on the spirit side, involving discussions with spiritual guides and masters. Planning takes place over a considerable period, suggesting that our spiritual journey is highly organized and premeditated. The walk-in phenomenon also raises questions about consciousness and memory. The young woman had no conscious recollection of the exchange, emphasizing that our conscious mind may not be fully aware of profound events. This suggests that there are aspects of our existence beyond our conscious awareness, challenging our understanding of ourselves. Walk-ins enter the physical body later in life, often during adolescence or adulthood, resulting in a transformative experience. They may exhibit heightened psychic abilities and contribute to personal growth, spiritual development, and the greater good of humanity. The purpose of becoming a walk-in lies in the soul's mission and the specific lessons it seeks to learn in the earthly classroom. Walk-ins often bring unique skills, wisdom, and perspectives, contributing to the collective evolution of consciousness. They have access to a wealth of knowledge and insights from previous incarnations, making profound contributions to society. While the walk-in phenomenon offers immense potential for growth, it comes with challenges. Integrating a new identity, navigating existing relationships, and balancing commitments are part of the profound journey walk-ins undertake it. This phenomenon underscores the gift of choice, emphasizing the fundamental principle of free will that governs our existence. Not everyone is a walk-in, and the experience is rare. Signs of being a walk-in include a profound shift in identity, unexplained memories, heightened intuition, a strong sense of purpose, rapid spiritual awakening, empathy and healing abilities, and feeling different from those around you. Whether or not you are a walk-in, the journey of self-discovery is transformative. Explore the depths of your consciousness, uncover hidden facets of your identity, and align with your soul's purpose. Embrace your unique brilliance and spread your wings, for, as Rumi said, you were born with wings. Why prefer to crawl through life? So spread your wings, dear soul, and let your journey unfold. In the tapestry of existence, the walk-in phenomenon is a thread that weaves through the extraordinary and challenges the boundaries of what we perceive as reality. As we delve deeper into this mystical exploration, we encounter the multifaceted nature of the walk-in experience and its profound impact on both the individual soul and the collective consciousness. The walk-in's gift of choice becomes a guiding principle in understanding the dynamics of their presence. It signifies a soul's deliberate decision to partake in the human experience, each with its unique purpose and lessons. The departing soul, in consenting to the exchange, manifests its own act of free will, contributing to the continuous dance of cosmic evolution. For those who resonate with the signs of being a walk-in, the journey is not without its challenges. Imagine awakening to a reality where memories, preferences, and even the very essence of identity have undergone a radical transformation. The process of integrating this new identity with the residual imprints of the previous soul's experiences and relationships is akin to stepping onto a stage mid-play, navigating the complexities of a script and characters. One of the intricate challenges faced by walk-ins lies in the impact of their transition on existing relationships. Picture being in a committed partnership, only to witness a radical transformation as a new soul enters the shared vessel. The delicate balance between honoring the commitments and connections of the previous soul, while expressing the authenticity of the incoming soul, requires open communication, empathy, and a deep understanding of the intricate tapestry of the soul's journey. Yet, within these challenges lies the potential for profound growth and self-discovery. The walk-in's journey is not merely a series of adjustments. It is a spiritual exploration, demanding introspection and an embrace of the duality within. Honoring both the past and present selves becomes a crucial aspect of this journey, recognizing that each facet has a unique role in the soul's evolution. The walk-in phenomenon also raises intriguing questions about the nature of consciousness. The revelation that the conscious personality may not be fully aware of such profound exchanges challenges the conventional understanding of self-awareness. This invites contemplation on the depth and complexity of our existence, prompting us to question how much we truly know about ourselves and the intricate layers that make up our conscious and subconscious minds. Children's memories of past lives, often dismissed as fanciful tales, find resonance in the walk-in phenomenon. The proximity of past life memories to the surface during a soul's entry into a baby's body suggests a potential avenue for understanding the mysteries of childhood memories and behaviors that transcend their current age and knowledge. As we contemplate the purpose of our own existence, the walk-in phenomenon offers a compelling narrative of souls on a cosmic calling. These beings, endowed with unique qualities, skills, and perspectives, carry the potential to accelerate spiritual growth and contribute to the collective evolution of consciousness. Their presence is not a mere coincidence. It is a deliberate choice to uplift, inspire, and heal. The healing potential of walk-ins is particularly noteworthy. Many possess an innate ability to facilitate healing on physical, emotional, and spiritual levels. Their presence radiates a transformative energy that extends beyond the confines of the physical body, touching the hearts and souls of those they encounter. In a world often marked by turmoil and challenges, the healing energy of walk-ins becomes a beacon of light, guiding others on the path to wholeness. Now, as you reflect on these revelations and consider the signs that may resonate with your own journey, remember that the exploration of self-discovery is a sacred and transformative path, regardless of whether you identify as a walk-in. It beckons you to dive into the depths of your own consciousness, uncover the hidden facets of your identity, and align with your soul's purpose. In the grand tapestry of existence, every soul, whether a walk-in or not, contributes a unique thread to the intricate design of cosmic evolution. As you embark on your own journey, may you find the inspiration and empowerment to embrace your soul's calling with an open heart and a sense of purpose. Remember, you are a magnificent being of light, here to shine your unique brilliance upon the world. So, spread your wings, dear soul, and let your journey unfold in the dance of the cosmos.